too much GH nie Ghana for ahwefo etiefo onipa bi a won subscribe e too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem esema ebuafa on my Ghana so ena ye de bremu one god nie the only one god in GH eho ena de bia mehwe abrochefo ene Ghana for mo amobia safa na ina me recommend emamo too much GH
Yenua nyame adom na wonso e
yenua be ma ye yade nyina kojo Wiafe enti ena ye wa ha na ma ye bebusa wonsem kakra bi kojo Wiafe kwan be na wo fa so enim
yo ni ma me nim ne se me ye actress UTV de ehwa na ye di yagro eti me nim no wo UTV ena me nso mete ha yi a wo kan dan be 5 a ehwa na mete enti me nim no pa
na unim yenua be me mfie be sen
Mfie bebre because me betra ha jan mum me betra me ko 11 years aha enti minim no pa
na enam sinitwam a wodi esa nim no ka ho wo sha ne modern bo ene ne wo ye no obi a like obenya atamfo ana
atamfo de chese bible kra ka se nipa nyina do wo adue nti atamfo de obi a watamfo me kra me nam fam hayi me watamfo
samo sha ya anti so ya de ti ya ne se wada ne be so den na e ma ni wo yi etimi e ba
ni wo ne ne ma ba ya de wansa me nya doctor ne ntimi hu na na ne amenimu ane se na ho mfa no e na wa free mu ne ho adodo na kakra bia na trese de free
na oti ni wo ne sen na wo si filify
ne nua na watwe abanti e na asa me ho asane me in fact ebo mi pusa fisa na onye obi a ne ho se owufuo yo min kra nhye semo ane se aba ni se ya yegu atobe yi obi be ko yire ne ho ha obi bia ni ama mi hu oboa memi janwa kra mi gina hai jese mi twam na ma hu nkala na ma bi sasa mo ho te sen obi ani wo bebo nti omo nhya omo ho den omo nhya omo sapo mu nsuo abawie owo no waye kontonkro no oda mansan ko mu nti abawie no nhya ne ho den no fa nso nkala ni na mo mabusuafo no emmo oba no omo na ye omo diem ya no mo de ye nkyɛn ye tiri hu nam na nti abusuafo no mmoa oba no no mo fa nhya nkala ni
yo mama ye beda wa no ase abusuafo ye mama jawa na wote se ye ne no etwetwe enkomo eno no so atwe na adwen e de afa na tete ye nua be ma no ono obia ente bone ana se wo atamfo krampo na ye de nipa de ebenya atamfo e wa babom na so eno entimi guarantee se bi obi na aye no ebibie abusuafo ye to aso
abusuafo ye Mickey the triple darling awo ye despite media house no en ye shan wa se ne betwetwe enkomo afa ne nua be ma ye kojo Wiafe ehom Mickey eti sen
bashoye
akuma na eti sen sisi akuma ho asem na bibisa
oh akuma no me raho de but bibia that thing yeah
okay ye nua be ma kojo Wiafe new we report ne by shock to many of us because yehuna on both TV and the BMC radio very vibrant energetic enti na dodo na hu de ba ya emanu wakoye as a colleague e wodwum betime bisa o kakra se aden ene ba ne sa
all senior our client Wiafe is very energetic and very fresh. He's a nice person to work with. He flows with everybody at the office. He was the one producing me on the Council Bro drive time those days. Into meaning was a cordial relationship. Don't say the original, or say the original. Yeah, because Mickey is not feeling well. Wiafe, Charlie, what happened? Oh, Charlie, I got some like fever, malaria. I'm they feel okay, so I want the house more. And on the minimum say, so be say Wiafe, Kase or Yaria, mean to say who the bad next. Meaning say normal, say young guy, stress knee, chilling near Jima or Brent or that was all. But then later on, hearing the news, Wiafe, it was a shock. It was a blow. It was just understandable. We don't know why it's supposed to be like that.
Or show any signs of chronic illness and a disease.
That's what I'm saying, sir. You feel so energetic. Also, be a baby, be a me Jimmy. Sometimes I temper, oh, to be a Charlie, me cry me or air crowd, Charlie, my voice. I can't, I am a crowd, Charlie, my pro dinner may show and I say, Frey, also, you're not show because I'm not feeling all that good. Okay, then you get replacement. Within the next week or 3-4 days, I come back to work. And normal, sir, you who say you have to castle, Charlie, I know the feel Morano will come work. Now, along the line, and then the next news is that, to say, you have to fine, but you are junior, must say, you are only bit me. It is just normal thing, sir. He does his own thing, and we can't do anything about it.
You see rumors be on social media say a piece FM for Ankasa na be confirming say on your COVID-19 coronavirus aba Ghana has say adane adeswa dia man ya say dan kofo komu nu bi na agena atwama aye say owo edama no nan no confirmed sir.
There is nothing like anybody from Peace FM confirming say COVID-19 and nobody has ever confessed nothing. There's nothing, there's no iota of truth about that one. There's nothing of COVID-19. I am normal, it's unfortunate to say COVID. You take room, you see. A bit to me who will be there. The next day, I saw you when you say. Those things are all there. COVID need it. We will see it to that extent. But then for Peace of them coming out to confirm, say, no, it's never, there's nothing like COVID. And until they made in 1 week, and until they made 4th of July, now you're proceeding. If there's anything COVID, they will not allow us to continue all those things. You body no. Obi on your COVID behind your body ni mount. You don't have your private barrier. No, it doesn't happen like that. I know let's brush that one out. Suspicious ni obi ajini. But nipa you do. The yesterday moment say young man to yesu aye ba no. Ye hu say they be check here pull mo den hu niema. Because sometimes when you feel you are okay and you are healthy, now nim ya be a see wo mu ni ade na it me one check na bibi timi sia na de ukọ ntinu ya fe de it was energetic. It's a normal death. It me 2 years nyina at any time me papa nya me mama nya and don no see ne yam ya dey do hospital wo no so fe nya no bibi anya no I say odi an kan kwa me yebo a ona fe no odo bi no ye nyina na ne no drive time nti ya fe de it's a shock for all of us and the whole Ghana and then the media fraternity.
Mickey the triple down. Jane Pana would be kai Kojo Wiafe. So now Ben Jane Pana would be kind say just this thing about him I will never forget.
He's open up. He says his mind, he tells you what he feels, and he's ever ready to listen. And he's easy to go with and to mingle. On sure and like yes, only for one sure he's always welcome. So we've lost a brother. Medical cashier Ebusian shedding. Nema many ne papa. Nema me di ne bako. Enti ye mebusian di. Nemum nyame no ba refi. Ye se nyankopon refi no. The man Ebusiano say, when we bet me a fee, now move on. The year look at Uncle 2 girls and a boy. About 6-7 years, the first one, the second one is about 3 or 4 years, and the third one is just less than a year. And Tisharika, the year no day, you're saying Yamia Hodemano, and Yamia free. Send a bayer, wait me move on. We'll take proper care about the kiss.
Sena Mickey the triple darling aka no so no de wosre onyankopon ho arefie e de ama eyire ene emma akeche because it means asem no de emu oya pa so manya refie na de beba eche no enye ye desa ebusuafo ye to aso.
So town for Kura any would day. You know, until Obia 1 year na ho anche. Yanka say card na ko hwe ana bibisa na all of a sudden obet see so free more. It was so early in the morning. I mean, be a day no in the crowd na say we mu ana nyumrembu na ete na nka enye yiti say an opportunity was sorry between 7 and 8 o'clock near catcher say bia ana na mo from mu say asumasi ewu enye akokora enye abrewa enye opani, such a very young, energetic, handsome guy. Now we're free Musa no. In fact, I home tesem kese.
Now we are showing you na bra like saying na now it's here.
I don't think it's a obi huna betumi abeka say o not say what to say. Obi kro onimu no. Kra na wo hu ni video, wo hu ne nyuma yese na yete no. She'll tell you say he's a young guy with full of life, full of energy, you know, full of talent. Enye adeketo akra.
Na eden na wo de beka ni se sia won kan yati asefo hu den na wo de beka.
Oh, ni nyuma ye. And you see, adebakwa me pe won ho ne serious. He's always smiling. Always smiling. I mean, nipa sa no obu fukura na wo kohia na with his smile you need to calm down. You know, until no, and Unquano will still be refreshing our minds. Adeba me nimni se nyame nedema ono na eji na osi bibie mu no yemfa na ase ema ne dinti ne awonimu a waye ama ye no ye de na ase be ma no na ye gina kwan so ahye abusia so den se enye ahodwo se bibi se beto wo na yenim se nyame na waje na afiri wo nsem no ono ankasa so besan ahye wo manamu na nyame ya dom na dan sudu a ye do beba bedo ebebo dom na ya beja ye nua no akwa asomdwe mu
Ko for ye beda wa no as
yes me da se thank you
mini ababela mema wakwa aba
yenda
impombo ko die
nyame adumo bebi abakode
kafra ati eye ni abema kwaje wiafe ono enti ni aba be pie mo ha na se wakwakoye obi a mo ben no ne mo ne ni edi dwuma no oni mo atwasini ni ehun kwani ba ni wo no san na si eka ho faye
o me chiachia tiefo nyina me fans fo nyam chia mo nyina nso kwaje wiafe de wayam papa prekope e boys abrem oba boys abrem no hu se me like me ye bibia o sibela jejimi no na hweso na ye wade ye call UTV dey with the stars ko for ehuru me bela hu se wan sabi pa hu se yes enam papa ewu a eye me cry ya me ya ko do ya eye me ya na me nim se wo be hu se ka me hwe woni mienu asena wo
na se mo ni edi dwuma no na like hu ne se bia ne hu mfa na ne hu dodo no bia
oh anu no de ko ya fo de mante se no yale de mu ya na so mo fa fon frɛ me oli mi yes ese ko ya fo ewu na me se me papa menti ase me ka chi yakopon ma ko fi boache on fa ne nsie baby ye on bo no ho bai e ma ye na ne kra ne din
sembe na de be ma eye abusuafo ahwefo ne wo mo a wo mo eti o
abusuafo no me ma mo nyina ahyede yakopon no obo ye ba asase so ono ankasa na gye na me se wagye a yentimi nkahwe yentimi mbusi yakopon se ade na wagye kodwo yafe timi kache busuafo no se busuafo no hyede
abusuafo eye ye ni aba Bella GH and Kumawood actress no and I'm not say ye no atwetwe nkontiti ni so atata wa ma me kwa me re aho nanso ye be ye ne den abusia ye nto a ensem no eso aba mama wa kwa aba
mejo so menu aba
mpombo ko di
nko padon ye ho odin
patibis ma bo dia charity
ya fam Sergeant
na me pacho ye ni aba ma ko di na fe kwan ben so na anu
said your name no kwan of so nim na me so me name no ye na entertainment industry mo na ye wo. You may not have the opportunity to meet one, but you may have the opportunity to observe what one is doing when he's doing it right. And Wiafe was one of the young chap that is impacting a lot in the industry. And we all are industry players, and he's a very young chap, very influential.
For how long now would you
Oh, and chair ye be dear, but ni nyuma na wa ye no echre ni pa wo ye. Yeah.
Sha e dey netimi man netimi e dey free mu because ya antise wo yare ya antise bibia e dey te ya ne say we free e bia wo ba ko yo bia wo ba ni dey bia na wati bibia e fa
sebi mprem biasa mpanifosi owo de edamasankom wonto me nkyere obetumi aka say o metiye meya ozo obetia na okọ ena owo nso de formula ni hu ena e ba nso a enkra enti ye ntumi nka say kwan we su no fa wu ye we na ye but all that we can say say and then ye nua be ma no oni ye nkyɛn biom enti mpaibo na wo se ye bo so twede amponyankopɔn fa ne kransie yie enye ne wu echi ena ye be ke kansan bebre de ye wo mu ene de enim. He's not there to speak for himself enti man bi anka ne wu echi asem de ewu enim no na wo se ye hwɛ ye fa mpaibo ntai busua echi ne nkyihye busua rep ne yere ne mma o papa ne o maame na ye mompa se otwede amponyankopon emfa ye nua be ma kransie yie esanse baba bebo adwuma pa ama Ghana man enti Ghana man na so enhyeden industry players ni na ye nso ye enhyeden ye nso otwede amponyankopon so mfa ne kransie yie
yo ye beda wase wa kwenya ye nyane wo atwetwe
medamo so asibe
abusiafo ye nua be ma e na ote so no so akere na adwen e de afa ho ye to aso